Hi guys, this is Dani for Cupncakes Gourmet, and today we're gonna make this hat that was the biggest hit on my unicorn party. I know I'm making a lot of unicorn stuff, but this one you need to know. Before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button, because if you don't do that, you're not gonna get notification for new videos. And all the social medias up there, and all my videos I made them in English and Portuguese, so if you're looking for the English ones, just go check it out. Thank you so much for to leave me this awesome comment, and I dedicate this video to you. And this is Kiki showing up what we're gonna do. So I'm starting with a poster board. I got this poster board at the dollar store. I think it's 2 for $1 or like 59 cents or something like that. And I'm marking both sides and making strips of 3 to 4 inches. I think 3 inches is better, but you can decide what you want between 3 and 4. Depends how big or how little your baby, the kids that you're making for the party is. But 3 inches are perfect. That's the one that I like the most. And I think you can get a kind of like 10 hats in each poster board, so it's not an expensive decoration. Is not an expensive party favor if you want to give. As of course, if you decide to do this for your party, please have one for each child, so you don't have a problem then one is crying because they don't have it or they have it, things like that, and they probably gonna take home. So make it and think then you're not gonna see it again. It's a party favor. So I'm gonna cut all the stripes for the hat, and you can make as many as you want. You can even I don't know, you can use another a harder paper if you want, but I think poster board is the perfect paper for that, because it's not too thick, then it's gonna be around the head, and it's gonna fold it very easy and bend it very easy. So this is a great one. So with the pen, I'm just gonna mark the eyes. You can cut that in any cutting machine, like a Cricut or a Silhouette, if you want to even make it then even perfect, or make a template to make them they exactly the same. But I'm just gonna draw by hand, and any unicorn is unique, so they are not exactly the same. But if I was making for selling, I would probably make a template or cut it on my Cricut. So now the same tissue paper that I'm using for all those unicorn party stuff. I know you guys must be bored to see unicorn, but I made so many cool things when I was hyping on the party, then I wanted to show you guys. So I got one each color of my tissue paper that comes all together, and I'm folded it in half, and I'm gonna fold it again, and now we're gonna fold it all the way around. And we're gonna have one side then is folded in half, then doesn't have opening, and the bottom side has opening, and that's the bottom side. Then you're gonna cut it, and we're gonna go leaving 2 fingers at the top, and we're gonna cut all little stripes. Then that's making the hair from the tail. Then we're gonna put it on the hat. So you don't need to worry about or measure this. Just cut it by by eyes, but just leave the 2 fingers on the top. So now we're gonna open it again, and then we're gonna cut in half. So that is gonna be 2 big pieces, then you can cut it, and we're gonna start preparing to put in the hat. So now 2 fingers, I will cut it 1, 2 fingers, cut it 1, 2 fingers, cut it 1, and that's gonna be the little set for each of the hat. I do that because I like to have each color. But if you want to just do pink or just do blue, you can do that too. But since my unicorn party, everything was with this pastel colors, and everything had all the colors together, kind of rainbowish, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to fold it and staple to be sure that this is not going to move around, or I'm going to lose colors, and that's going to be like a tusha hair, like a tail. So we're going to staple all of them. So now I have the part we draw the eyes on the back, and one side we're gonna staple this. You want to put in the back because you want this to be inside the hat, not outside, so you don't see it. And then when you're gonna put in the hat, you're just gonna fold it and staple the back. You can even leave a staple or at the party, so people can do exactly the size they need. This is the years that I made it. I cut it the Cricut. So if you guys want to have that design, so if you have a Cricut and you want to cut it, just let me know. I will totally send for you. And you can cut this by hand. The flower, I have the video, and you can the rest cut it by hand. Thank you, Kiki, for modeling my hats. That were very cute, and the kids really like it. And you can use any little flowers, paper flower that you want, or hearts, whatever you want. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't yet, and I talk to you guys on the next video. Bye.